So this is how to add an item to a list using the append method in Python. So let's say we have a list of 5 people and or a list of 5 students in a class, and let's quickly create that list. So we'll do it like this: list of 5 people. Let's say David, John, then let's say Mary, one more person, let's say Jerry, and let's say we have someone else in the list, Daniel. So let's save this into a variable and call this students. When we print this list, we obviously know what's going to happen. You can see it prints every single item inside this list. Now let's say we want to add a new item to this list up here. All we just need to do is to use the append method, and it's very simple. So you say student dot append, and then you add the new item. Let's say a new student joins the class, and this new student is called, let's say the name of this student is Trump. So now when we print this new list again and then run this code, you see that Trump gets added to the new list. That is how to use the append method. So that's how we use the append method in Python. You can see this is the old list, and this is when the list gets updated. So this append method only takes in one argument. So for all of that and more, I'll see you on the next video.